What is flow? According to psychologist Mihai Csikszentmihalyi, a flow state is a state of total immersion in a task or activity. That immersion results in increased data retention, comprehension, and a highly developed sense for pattern recognition. An individual's entire being becomes involved in the process of flow. Select cognitive processes intentionally shut themselves down to make way for the more powerful influence of the subconscious mind. In Csikszentmihalyi's view, allowing the subconscious mind to operate independent of our critical process is essential not only to the process of learning, but also in addressing any situation where superior reflexes and seamless decision-making are essential. As an integrated system, the Flow Trainer has multiple applications related to the fields of education, training, pain management, and the treatment of post-traumatic stress disorder. The system's unique integration of neuro-narrative scripting, fully immersive visual simulation, enhanced audio interface, and transcranial magnetic stimulation allows for extreme flexibility when applied to various training disciplines. The goal? Total human optimization. One of the advantages of the Flow Trainer system is that it is specifically designed to create and maintain flow states in any individual. These states are stable and repeatable. Our preconditioning model allows trainees in any discipline to achieve peak performance states prior to any training curriculum. The creation of these states is vitally important to the process of learning itself and has been neglected through oversight by many educational institutions. A recent study conducted by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency proved that military snipers trained during flow states decreased the time it took to acquire their targets by 230%. Additional testing proved conclusively that non-military snipers trained in flow advanced from novice to expert in 50% of the time normally allocated for this training. There are 17 distinct triggers that activate flow states in the human brain. The Flow Trainer system emulates each of these triggers within the training routines. The triggers exist in 4 categories: psychological, environmental, social, and creative. The Flow Trainer system's immersive virtual environments, gamified content, and hypnotic conditioning guarantees effective focus. In our model, flow induction precedes all instruction. And it is that induction into the flow state that guarantees the peak performance of trainees. Preconditioning is critical for a number of different reasons. The most important is the distribution of neurochemicals in the brain. Neurotransmitters are the chemicals that allow the transmission of signals from one neuron to the next across the synapses. They are also found at the axon endings of motor neurons, where they stimulate the muscle fibers. Such glands as the pituitary and the adrenal glands produce them, and their close relatives. Of those neurotransmitters that we have identified, 5 maintain a position of dominance in their relationship to mood regulation, pattern recognition, decision-making, focused attention, and memory. Serotonin, which regulates mood. Dopamine, which increases engagement, excitement, creativity, and exploration. Norepinephrine, which increases arousal, attention, neural efficiency, and emotional control. Endorphins, which create an opiate effect, and anandamide, which amplifies lateral abstract thinking, relieves pain, and inhibits our ability to feel fear. In a flow state, each of these top 5 neurotransmitters are simultaneously active in the brain, and together they create a virtual symphony of engagement, focus, emotional control, and precise implicit subconscious functioning. This single fact clearly illustrates how completely counterproductive it is to train any individual in any discipline prior to this state first being achieved. The Flow Trainer system's fully immersive environments and holophonic audio further support the flow state. So what can a trainee in a flow state achieve? Everything.